Hi, right now I am in Markham Valley and it's just rain and it's very nice right now. And I just want to show you around. This place looks like this. And uh, I just want to say, like, if you want to visit a nice place, then you can come and visit to Markham Valley. And we have lots of few things here, like horse ride. You can do just for 50 rupees or 20 rupees. And you can see the hat here, like which I bought for 100 rupees. And it's very nice. See? These little boys, they made this hat with beautiful leaves and some flowers in it. And can we show that part? Any? Wait, wait, wait. Wait. Oh, this is the horse. You can ride on the horse here, and it's only for 50 rupees, like I said. And eh, can you go till there? Most of the time we heard about Zuko Valley, which is in Nagaland, but I just want to say, like, people from Meghalaya or Assam, you can just come here and see. It's almost like Zuko Valley. It's like very nice here. You don't have to go to Nagaland, but you can also come here and enjoy the view, like idea of Zuko Valley. Just look at the scenery. It's really nice. Okay, thank you.